Hello and welcome to a special video on Yahoo Answers and how to post a question and answer a question. Now Yahoo Answers is like a place where people share the knowledge and help other people. Okay, as you can see, I'm on the home page of Yahoo Answers, and basically it's divided into several categories. Now what I'm going to show you is, first of all, how to post a question on Yahoo Answers. Okay, now the first thing that you need to do is you need to sign up. So simply click this tool here, sign up. Okay, once you've done that, fill in your information, select your ID and password, and once you've done all this, just click the create my account button. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to post a question on Yahoo Answers. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in. Okay, and then I'm going to type in my login. Okay, I'm actually logged in to Yahoo Answers, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click post question. Okay, and next it takes you to a place where you can ask your question. So the question that I want to ask is, let's just pick a question. Okay. Are there any websites where you are there any investment websites? Okay, so let's say, for example, now the second box gives you a bit more detail to ask your questions. Hi, okay, this is an example. I am looking for a website where you can submit your business ideas to potential investors. Next, I'm going to click continue. Okay, and then you just can simply select a category for this question. So it's already suggested a category for us, which is in the investment category, and I'm just going to click preview to see how my question will look, and then I'm just going to click submit. Okay, and your question goes live, and people will start answering a question after several minutes or within the next half an hour, depending on who is an expert in this category. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to actually answer a question. Okay, let me give you an example. Okay, I'm just going to click on the advanced category, and I'm going to look for questions related to my field. Okay, let's just type in the exact phrase, and let's just type in WWE wrestling, because I'm quite a big wrestling fan. Okay, and let's type in, scroll over to category, and we want to click all, and we want to search for keyword match in questions. Next, the question status, we want to select the one which has open questions where the best answer has not been chosen, and we want that within the 7 days. And then click search, and as you can see, people are asking lots and lots of questions on wrestling. As you can see, it's a very popular niche. Lots and lots of people are discussing this. So let's just click on this one here. This one is asking, where can I watch WWE wrestling online for free? And you simply, if you want to answer this question, simply head over to click answer question, and you can type in, you can watch live wrestling at let's just give an example of a website, surfthechannel.com, and here you just want to give your source, surfthechannel.com, click preview, and you just simply click submit, and your answer goes live. As you can see, there's my answer, it's gone live. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you've learned something new.